coming. Gonna drive up. Hold on, let me get down there. Stop for 1 second. Okay, now come forward. Come driver. Driver. Yep.
That was a height.
Yeah. Now a little passenger. Come down. Now a little passenger. 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 Yep. Okay. Now driver. 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 I'll make sure that tire drops in on the other side. Can you get that rear to come over at all? No, let the front roll. Get that rear. Yeah, your rear is going to drop in on that side and pull you away from that cone. Should. It's starting to drop over there. Come on, get off of there. Keep coming.
So, you want me to like steer away?
I think if you steer away, it's going to push you into it.
Or we want to back up?
No, just keep going like that. Yep, you cleared it. Drive, drive, so I can get out of here. Front dig. There we go. Yep. You on all four? Okay. Phone's at my feet. Go driver a touch. Yep, right there. Now come back passenger. Passenger. Yep, hard passenger. Okay. You got that cone on your side? Alright, I got this cone. You're good on this cone. Go down. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. 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 Alright. Go hard, hard, hard. Yep. Now rear. Front dig. Front dig first. Yeah, front dig reverse, just like you are. Keep going. Okay, now go in all four. Okay, turn driver, driver hard, and back up. Keep coming, driver hard. Keep coming, driver hard. Keep coming, driver hard. I'm watching you. Straighten out, straighten out. Keep coming back. Now go driver hard again. Keep coming, coming, coming. Good, tree. All right, let me get out from it. Let me get in front, okay? Yep, come on. Come right up that wall. Come a little driver as you come up. Yep, beautiful. Just like that. Turn down a little bit. Good. Come through. Come a little bit, driver. Driver, yes. All right, stop for 1 minute. Stop for 1 minute. Okay. Creepy crawl down. Right where you're at. That it's gonna push you driver, so just go easy with it. I want you to turn driver in the front. Easy, easy. Now creepy crawl. Go hard driver, hard driver. Nope, not doing what I wanted to do. Just drive. Nice and easy, yeah, easy. Easy. Stop for 1 second, stop. Okay. All right, I'm hoping that's gonna hold you up. Yep, creepy crawl. You got 6 inches and you're by the cone. You're by the cone. Drive out. Drive out the yellow cones.
Can't get too much info, right?
Yeah. We needed that.
Alright, friend. 1 reverse. 2 bonuses.
1 reverse? Yes, 1 reverse right here. I had to think there for a minute on that reverse.
Started the initial for the driver.
Yep. There you go.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Mhm. Thank you. We needed that. We really needed that run.
Good job.
Thanks. There you go. 1 backup, 2 bonuses. Both bonuses, 1 backup. All we had was a backup. Nice job, bud.
We tied Coulter on that one.